To transfer money from OCBC to Zelle, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have an OCBC online banking account and a Zelle account. If you do not have a Zelle account, you can enroll through the Zelle website or the mobile banking app of your bank. Start by logging into your OCBC online banking account. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section and select the option to send money to another bank. Choose the account you want to transfer from and the amount you want to transfer. Next, you need to add the recipient, which in this case is the Zelle user. You will need the recipient's email address or mobile number associated with their Zelle account. Enter the recipient's information and select the delivery speed, which can be standard or instant. Review the transfer details, including the amount, recipient information, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer. The funds will be sent from your OCBC account to the recipient's Zelle account. It is essential to note that Zelle typically does not charge fees for transfers, but your bank may charge a fee for the transfer, depending on their policies. Additionally, ensure you are sending money to a trusted recipient, as Zelle transfers are typically irreversible. To avoid any issues, make sure you have sufficient funds in your OCBC account and that the recipient's Zelle account is active and can receive transfers. You can also set up transfer limits and alerts to help you stay on top of your account activity. In summary, transferring money from OCBC to Zelle is a straightforward process that requires you to log into your OCBC online banking account. Select the transfer option, add the recipient, review the transfer details, and confirm the transfer. By following these steps and being aware of any applicable fees and transfer limits, you can securely and efficiently transfer money to Zelle users.